Welcome to Bangalore Kitchen. If you're not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe the channel before going into the video and click on the bell button so that you'll receive the notifications. Today we are going to try my mom's fish curry. For fish curry, I've taken for the masala, what all required I'll tell you. For that we require tomato and coconut, and the dry ingredients peppercorns and cumin seeds, and for fry I've taken methi seeds, and also I've soaked the tamarind in a bowl, and I've taken 8 to 9 small onions and garlic, one full garlic, and add it to a jar and blend and keep it aside. Okay, now in another bowl take water in it and add little turmeric powder and also the tomato to it, and nicely soak the tomato and nicely make a puree in it. Okay, now I blended the masala, the onions and the garlic. I blended and kept it, and see, now I'm going to take all the tomato, the remaining tomato, to a jar, to a jar and add the dry ingredients, that is only the pepper and the cumin seeds, that is methi. You can add it while sorting for the masala. Now to it I am also adding the coconut and blend the coconut also with the tomato and keep it aside. Okay, now I have soaked the tamarind, right? Remove the tamarind pulp and add the tamarind water to the, remove the pulp and add it to the jar, and the water you can add it to the tomato water what you've kept aside. Okay, now add to the water, the tomato water, add 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1.5 tablespoons of dhania powder. The turmeric powder I've already added while soaking the tomato in the water. So nicely mix it. Mix it without the... Now keep a pan and add oil to it and add methi seeds. Let the methi seeds fry. Now add the... or add the onion and the garlic paste to it and fry it and add coriander leaves. Curry leaves, curry leaves to it, and nicely give a fry, give a salt to it, and add the tomato puree, what you blended and kept it. Nicely fry the tomato puree as well with the oil, give a salt to it. Okay, to that I'm adding a pinch of turmeric powder again. Okay, give a salt again. Salt it well until the oil comes separate. Okay. See, the oil has come up, and now I'm adding the mixture of the water what we have kept at the side. Add the water and let the water gets boiled now. Okay, wait till the oil boils, and to that itself you add the salt as per your taste. You can add the salt and close the lid and let the water gets boiled. See, now the water is getting boiled very well. Now I'm going to add fish to it. Okay, see, I've taken fish and something around half a kg of fish I've taken. I'm adding it after, once the water gets boiled only you have to add the fishes, and keep it in a low flame and cook the fish. Close the lid and keep it aside. Let the fish gets cooked. See, now I'm closing the lid. See, now the fish curry is ready. I'm just garnishing with the coriander leaves. Okay, it's my mom's favorite fish curry. You just try at your home and give the reviews. Kindly subscribe my channel once again and like and share my video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.